Man, what is going on today? It is cold. In my last video, I was wearing shorts. Let's see what the temperature is. Hi, Bixby. Yes, we got Bixby. What is the temperature today? Man, it feel like 30. I don't believe that at all. Oh man, what's up guys? Darius here, back with another update with the 1998 Mach. Now, in my last video, you saw that I was, man, that wind is cold. That wind is really cold. Let me step back in this garage. But as you can see from my last video, I was experiencing some issues and whatnot with the car and stuff like that. And by the way, thanks for all y'all guys' support. Everybody that helped me out and contacted me and told me what was probably going on and stuff like that. Really do appreciate it. But yeah, let's get into this. So, bruh, there's a freaking spider in my car. I don't play with spiders. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Like, I'll let y'all know something. My biggest fear is spiders. Not a lot of people know that, but yeah, I was finna pop the hood. I'm not popping the hood no more. No, not today. We just gonna wait on that. But like I was saying before that spider interrupted me, one of my friends, Tyler, thank you Tyler for helping me out. He was telling me, informing me about this thing called a catch can. Now, catch can is it's like a oil separator. Basically what it does is catches the oil before it goes into the intake. That's basically what it is. Now, to my knowledge, I thought it was mainly only used for turbo, supercharged, you know, vehicles, forced induction vehicles. But he let me know that I could probably use it for my car, and it would help me out. So that's what I did. But before we move on, I gotta take care of you. That thing looks so freaking creepy. Yeah, let's go ahead and take care of that real quick.
Whoa, what are you doing? Fucking spider, you didn't see that shit?
Alright guys, now that we took care of that, let's go ahead and open up this hood so I can show you what's happening. Love these hood latches. They're so freaking cool when they hang on just a sec. Yeah, hood latches are great when you know how to adjust them. But we got it now. All right. Go ahead and open this up. So what I did was I installed a oil catch can. But yeah, that was from Mr. Tyler. He helped me out with that. And also I want to say thanks to Mr. Mopar Fanatic. It's kind of weird that a Mopar guy is helping a Ford guy. But I mean, you know, us in the car culture and whatnot, we all got to stick together, because if we don't have each other, then who else we gonna race, you know what I mean? I mean, I guess we can race Ford against Ford, but eventually it'll just even up. So, you know, we gotta always have fun, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I just want to give you a quick update with the Mach 1. Basically, my last video, I had some people say it looked like I was about to get ready to cry. I wasn't. I was just like very upset. But I mean, hey, it happens. You guys help me look at the positive side of things, you know. It is in my car and it is running, so that's always great. But yeah, like I said before, thank you. I'm working on a few things. I'm not sure what exactly all I'm finna do right now. Might have to change the valve cover gasket soon. Should have did it when I painted it, but I didn't. I don't know, but yeah, might do that soon. I'm got another project going on. Yeah, we got some projects on the way. I'm working on a few things here and there, just just for myself, but it's not really big. It's not. It actually don't have anything to do with the car, but you know, we'll see. Maybe I put it on here. Maybe I won't. I'm not sure yet. Trying to get more reviews out there. I'm working with this one guy. He got 3 cars that we could probably review. I'm not 100% sure if we are or not, but you know, we're working with something. I'm trying to get you more content on this channel because I know I've been slacking with content. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. You know the routine: like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friends, what have you. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I'm working on making maybe shirts and hoodies. I'm not 100% sure yet. I want to make me a hoodie, and I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. Yeah, so if you like it, comment and say, you know, hey, I want one, or I want a shirt or something like that. Then once I figure out who can make it and who can actually do the hoodies and wouldn't mind doing it all the time, you know what I'm saying, then we could probably work out something. I could probably ship something off to y'all or whatever y'all want to do it. Really, I'm just making it because, you know, I want to get my name out there more on YouTube and stuff like that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Next video should be more positive. As we saw, the last one wasn't really that positive, so that's why I made this one to kind of hype up the channel, because we're trying to stay happy on this channel, okay? But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.